Hello everyone. Welcome to the past paper discussion. So we are in second question of the series. This comprises of the topics like geometry, measuring, area, perimeter, related stuff. So very first question is, a square is given to us. We have to measure this using a ruler, that is the side length of the square, and we have to give the answer in millimeters, right? So for this question, let's switch to the another platform and see this. Here we go. So the exact square is replicated here, and using ruler, how to find? So move your ruler. You might see the 0 centimeter at the very starting. Sometimes 0 might not be mentioned. So you just take the initial one. The initial long line should coincide with the one corner vertex, any vertex. So I took in that this way, and make sure you're keeping it in a correct alignment, right? So keep it over here. Then you can see it's exactly pointed this corner, and the ending measurement will show the exact measurement, which is between 5 and 6, and it seems like exactly between 5 and 6, right? So, and our answer should be in millimeters, so we should consider this too. This is in centimeter, like 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, and between. And all the small divisions that we see here denotes the millimeter. So if you count the millimeter, it will take a long. So in every division, you can see 10 millimeters over there. Similarly, in this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 full, and here half of it, which is 5. So 55 millimeter. This is one way we can work out. Otherwise, you can use formula also. Like, I know it's 5.5 centimeter. In centimeter, it's 5.5. So 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. So 5.5 centimeter will be equal to 5.5 into 10, which is 55 millimeter anyways. But it's not every time like we will get the same value 55. Like not everyone. Even with our friends, sometimes in geometrical measurement, we will get some difference of values. It's not at all a problem. So there is a range of values given to us, which will range from 54 to 58. If it comes under that, your answer is right. And that's it. Very simple, using ruler, how to measure it, the side length of the square. So let's write the answer and complete the solution. So after measuring, we found that this square is 55 millimeters, right? And next question, a quadrilateral is given. We have to measure the smallest angle using protractor, right? So let's see how to solve this. Here we go. So the quadrilateral is there, and also we can see the protractor. So they said the smallest angle need to be measured. So it seems like this is the smallest angle. So I'm just focusing on that first. How to measure? This is wrong. So keep the center of the protractor with the exact vertex. They should coincide. And then you just tilt your protractor in such a way the baseline should coincide with the line which is given. So here, this is the baseline. Okay, so the baseline should coincide with the line given. So, and then this baseline coincides with the terminal line coincides with some measurement, and we need to count. So where is your 0? The 0 line where the baseline coincides is inside or outside. So that's check. Outside it's 180. So don't take outside measurements 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. And it's around 50, but not exactly before 50. We can see that. Let me zoom in. Before 50. So we can just go with 49. Since again it's a geometrical tool measurement and it depends upon the hands that's working. So the range of values is 48 to 52. So yeah, we got 14 here. And we can say it's 49 degree. The smallest. Okay. So then if you want, you can just measure the other angles too and check, because just by seeing, we might not check. So this angle, if I measure, it's exactly like 0. It's this time you should take the outside measurement. Okay. Because the baselines, 0 value is outside, right? So you have to go like this and it says 100. So 100 degree here. Of course, we can't choose this. So smallest angle might be 49, but let's check. So in order to measure this angle, keep the protractor center over there and coincide so that the base will coincide with one arm of the angle. The other arm will coincide with the protractor value. Just pick that. It's just before 90, somewhat around 87. So we got a 49, we got a 100, we got 87. Let's go with this. Keep it over here and baseline, of course, yeah. So this is the baseline I have taken. 0 is outside, so measure it. It's an obtuse angle more than 124 something we got. Right? So, of course, the smallest angle is just by seeing that we could able to guess it. So our guessing is right and it's 49 degree. We can conclude over here. Right? So very simple. Keeping the protractor center at the angle you're working at, which angle you need to find, and align the base line of the protractor with the baseline. So we have two arms. One arm should coincide with the baseline. Other arm will give us the measure. When you're calculating the measure, make sure inside or outside to be taken. So in this case, my baseline 0 is inside. So I will take the inside measurement. In this case also, I will get two answers. So inside, right? So that's the thing we need to follow. Let's conclude the answer as 49 degree over here. The smallest angle using protractor is measured as 49. Right. Next one. Find the area of this quadrilateral given. It's look like a trapezoid. Right. But by counting the squares. So just count it. The full squares you can just mark first. 1, 2. These are full squares. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 full squares. So whole squares, or you can say full squares, is 12. I have drawn in this way, but I can just tell you with numbers too, if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What about this half? This half and this half, when I combine, they will make a square. This half and this half will make a square. This and this will make a square. Okay, how many half squares? We have 6. Whole square, you just multiply by 1. Half square, you multiply by 1 by 2 or 0.5. So 12 plus 6 times half is 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. Is what we got here. So the area of the quadrilateral is 15 centimeters square because it's a centimeter grid. Right? Simple. Next one. Here a grid is given. It's a centimeter grid. Complete the rectangle so that its perimeter should be 20. Many triangle is possible, but perimeter 20 means, let me count. It's based on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Already I have a 7. Of course, opposite also will be 7. So totally 14, right? But this opposite should be here or here, or should I place here, here, that matters. So for that, we can guess in this way. Perimeter is 20. I know already the length is, from the 20, remove the 7 twice. So 20 minus 14 is 6. That 6 should be divided into half. That will make the width, because 2 parts we will divide. So it's not 6, 6 by 2, which is 3. Okay, so I got the 6. 6 by 2, which is 3. So you have to raise it by 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And then again a 7 and 1, 2, 3. So this is 7. This is 3. So together we got a rectangle which is 7 centimeter by 3 centimeter. This is the only thing which can give us the perimeter 20 centimeter here. Right? And that's simple. Thank you so much for listening. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you.